Good Mogulz Fam, and I am back with another banger song. I'm back with a banger. Right now, I'm gonna show you ukuthi ukwazi kanjani ukupredicta izindaba in the forex markets. So into oyidingayo, you need the app here, investing.com, which is this one, and then you would need this timer. You need this timer, bro. You need this timer. Always clock. Kumele we download the Apple Store or the Play Store, which is an Android. But if you have an Apple, then you should definitely do that. Yeah. So basically, let's get it. So what you need to understand is that not always the case ukuthi in all ama event you're gonna apply the strategy. You only apply the strategy on 3 events: NZD, a crude oil, and NFP. That's all nje. Mawubambe kanjalo, you won't miss it. For instance, this week it's because kune Australia employment change, so I'm gonna actually use that to give you an understanding with how do you trade the news, how do you predict the news, whether it's gonna buy or it's gonna sell. So the moment you see an event on the investing.com, you look at the previous and the actual. You understand? Not this, not this, not the forecast. So when the previous is less than the actual, you buy. You understand? You buy. Then when the actual is less, than the previous, you sell. Yeah, so don't get it confused. Don't ever get it confused, because if you get that confused, you will miss it. So kubalekile ukuthi uhlezi uyibamba, ungayi overthink, because once you overthink it, uzovele nje uluze kwi-market. So you have to understand that ukuthi you have to understand that it is just like that. Don't overthink it. If the previous is bigger than the actual, it's a sell. But if the previous is lesser than the actual, it's a buy. So that's how you know. Then you would definitely have to go to a MetaTrader app. I'm just going to use MetaTrader 5 as an example. So then you would have to go here. Okay, let me open my timer, always clock. When the event is about to happen, you have to open here. So basically, let's just say the market is gonna move and go 9:30. I'm just making an example. So exactly at about 09:29, you know what I'm saying? Exactly at about 09:29, you will wait for a second, because 09 is hours and these are minutes and these are seconds. 17 it's minutes and 21 are seconds. So exactly it's 09:29 hlambe 55 seconds, then you enter the market according to the way obukade ubona ngakhona ukuthi whether it's gonna buy lapha ku-investing.com or it's gonna sell. Then if you say it's a buy, you definitely buy, because right here I think this demo doesn't have any funds. I would have shown you, then you would buy or you would sell, just like that, guys. It's not too complicated, it's very easy. Just know that, so we'll say, which events do you apply this knowledge? Apply the knowledge in my events which are not, those ones that I have mentioned, because you'll miss it. Definitely you will miss it. You will lose your money. Don't come crying to me and be like, no, say good, no good, say no. You have to do exactly as I told you. Then if you know that, then you'll be all right. So I hope you all understand that, guys. I hope y'all get Uguti. How do you predict the news? So without further ado, Abasha, let's make this cheddar, bro. Let's make this cheddar. Peace.